Now, get ready to laugh along and enjoy with powerful performance. Our Telangana Education Trust has improved many of the lives. Here is the real lesson of Radhika, who became a successful lawyer and without parents and teachers. Now, sit back and nurture the creativity that have woven into this beautiful act. Let's welcome them.
तो खुद की खोज में निकल किस लिए हताश है? तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझना इनको वस्त्र, जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझना इनको वस्त्र तू, ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है।
We at Karma Gnana Education Trust lived many challenging but successful stories. Today we take you through the journey of Radhika, one among the many lives that Karma Gnana Education Trust has touched.
पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है। हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के हर नागरिक को बचाने
Radhika, your father is tested COVID positive. Radhika, your father left us.
My dreams are shattered. He was the only support. Shall I give up?
Few months later, Radhika beta, education camp is happening here at our Basti for scholarship. You must go.
Sure, Amma, I will go. I might get some financial help. Amma, take your medicines on time. You have diabetes.
We have received many applications this time. You are right, Nishta. More than 50.
Ma'am, I have filled my form.
Did you check all the details?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We will get back to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. See, Karma Gnana Education Trust team members are here. Hey Radhika, congratulations. You have secured 100% scholarship from Karma Gnana Education Trust. I will make my dream come true and will become a lawyer. Hello.
Radhika, your mother's condition is critical. Radhika, your mother passed away.
Amma, I will make you proud and I'll definitely become a lawyer.
Radhika, we have got law books for you. Now you won't have to study from PDFs. We are always there to help you.
Many thanks, Ma. These books are precious to me.
Congratulations, Radhika. You have now graduated as a lawyer.
Prayers are heard, and the prayers are heard through Carmel Gnana Education Trust.
Thank you, Carmen Ghana Education Trust.
Thank you, students, for beautiful land.
I request
Happy Raksha Bandhan to all my brothers. We now request our class students to tell the importance of Raksha Bandhan. Let's welcome them. Full attention. Full
Standing here to share the importance of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of Hindus. It is also called as the festival of Rakhi. It is celebrated across all over India. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Thus, Raksha Bandhan means the bond of protection. It is a festival of brother and sister. The story behind celebrating Raksha Bandhan is, once upon a time when Lord Krishna was flying a kite, he accidentally hurt his finger. When Draupadi saw it, she ran and came to and tore a piece of cloth from her sari. Then she tied it on the hands of Lord Krishna. After seeing the love and dedication of Draupadi, he promised her to save her whenever she needs him. So, during Mahabharat, when Draupadi was in trouble, Lord Krishna came to save her life from. That's why from that day we started celebrating Raksha Bandhan in India. On this day, people get up early and wear traditional clothes. Sisters prepare puja thali with diyas, kumkum, rice, sweets and rakhi in it. They also put a tilak on their brother's forehead. They worship God and then tie rakhi on their brother's wrists, wishing for their good health and safety. On the other hand, brothers pledges to love their sister ever long and protect her from all dangers. Brothers bring their sisters' favorite things as gifts to give them. This festival is a symbol of love, togetherness and faith. Raksha Bandhan every year gives an opportunity to brothers and sisters to meet and share love towards each other. Once again, I wish you all a happy Raksha Bandhan. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Thank you, Anand.
Values of Raksha Bandhan is led by Meghana.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯ ಶುಭ ನಮನಗಳು. ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ರಕ್ಷಾಬಂಧನ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ರಕ್ಷಾಬಂಧನವನ್ನು ಏಕೆ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ? ಅದರ ಮೌಲ್ಯವೇನು? ಈ ಹಬ್ಬವು ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸಂಕೇತಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಹೋದರಿಯರು ತನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರನ ಕೈಗೆ ರಾಖಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅವನ ದೀರ್ಘಾಯುಷ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಹೋದರನು ತನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರಿಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳಿಂದ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವುದಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಇದು ಒಡ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವರ ನಡುವಿನ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬಲಪಡಿಸುವ ಹಬ್ಬವಾಗಿದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Meaning of Raksha Bandhan is led by Tejaswini.
आप सबको सुप्रभात। मेरे सभी प्यारे भाइयों को रक्षाबंधन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। रक्षाबंधन का महत्व के बारे में मैं कहना चाहती हूँ। रक्षाबंधन भाई और बहन का पवित्र रिश्ते का त्योहार है। यह त्योहार हर साल श्रावण मास की पूर्णिमा को मनाया जाता है। रक्षाबंधन क्यों मनाया जाता है? ऐसा कहा जाता है कि जब भगवान कृष्ण ने अपनी उंगली काट ली थी तो द्रौपदी ने अपनी उंगली पर एक टुकड़ा बांध दिया था ताकि खून बहना बंद हो जाए। अपनी चिंता से कृष्ण ने अपनी रक्षा करने का वाद किया, जिसे राखी बंधन की शुरुआती हो। इस दिन बहन अपने भाई की कलाई पर राखी बांधती है, तिलक लगाती है और उसकी लंबी उम्र व खुशहाली की प्रार्थना करती है। भाई अपनी बहन को उपहार देना चाहिए, उसकी रक्षा करने का वचन देता है। यह त्योहार सिर्फ एक धागा नहीं है, बल्कि प्यार, विश्वास और सुरक्षा का प्रतीक है। रक्षाबंधन से हमें पारिवारिक एकता, प्रेम और भाई बहन का रिश्ते के गहराई समझ में आती है। यह पर्व हमें सिखाता है कि रिश्ते को निभाने के लिए भगवानों और कर्तव्यों को पालन करना जरूरी होता है। धन्यवाद।
School, stand up. Let's about Raksha Bandhan is led by Yashaswini.
Stretch out your hands. Pledge. Raksha Bandhan pledge for brother. I promise to always protect, support and stand by my sister through all the ups and downs in life. I will respect her individuality and encourage her dreams. On this Raksha Bandhan, I renew my bond of love and responsibility towards her, and also for sister. On this Raksha Bandhan, I pledge to always love and support my brother. I will stand by him in times of need, and I will remind him of his strength and goodness. Our bond is not just of protection, but also of mutual respect and care. Hands down.
Thank you, girls, for a beautiful assembly. What a wonderful journey we have witnessed today, from prayer, thought, expression, and action. Let us carry today's message in our hearts. Every small learning counts, and every leader begins as a learner. Let's take today's message and let's strive in excellence. Thank you for being part of this beautiful morning. Have a great day ahead. For vote of thanks. Good morning, everyone. It is a great honor for me to stand before you to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of our class. Today's special assembly on the theme, The Journey of Learning and Future Leaders, has been a truly inspiring experience for all of us. First of all, I sincerely thank our respected principal for your constant support and encouragement. Your presence today has truly motivated us. A heartfelt thank you to our class teacher, Teacher Shabana Banu, and our assistant class teacher, Sir Manjunath, for your continuous guidance, support, and patience. You helped us shape our ideas and bring this assembly to our lives. We are truly grateful. To all our dear classmates, thank you for your wonderful performances, coordination, and teamwork. Each one of you gave your best, and it really showed. I would also like to thank the school staff and technical
helpers who assisted us with all the arrangements and making everything run smoothly. And finally, a warm thank you to our teachers and dear students in the audience. Your patience and support and appreciation mean a lot to us. As we continue our journey of learning, let us remember that each step we take builds us into the future leaders of tomorrow. Let's keep working hard, supporting each other and never stop growing. Thank you.
ನಾಡಗೀತೆ ಬಿಗಿತು.